Welcome to White Hat Ways. In this video, we'll be learning about maximize conversion. So maximize conversion bidding strategy is the one in which we ask Google to bring me as many conversion as possible. So in this particular bidding strategy, I am focusing upon the number of conversions. I am neither focusing upon the returns which these conversions would be giving me. I am nor focusing upon the cost of the conversion. I am even not focusing upon the value of the conversion. What I am focusing is the number of conversions. So what are conversions? Conversions could be sale of a product. Maybe it is submission of a lead form. So through this particular bidding strategy, I am asking Google to get me as many lead forms filled as possible, to get many sales of products as possible. Immaterial whether this product could be a $10 product, it could be a $1 product, or it could be a $1,000 product. All I am focusing is number of products getting sold off. So again, with this particular bidding strategy, what is essential is a conversion tracking to be installed in my campaign. I need to set the conversion tracking in my campaign to go ahead with this kind of a bidding strategy. So in this particular bidding strategy, you are handing over the reins to Google to bid on your behalf for all your chosen keywords and bring you as many conversions as possible. It means as many number of conversions as possible. Immaterial what is the value of a conversion, what is the return that you might be getting on ad spend, or what is the cost involved. There is no criteria of those kinds. These criteria are not taken into consideration. What it considers is the number of conversions. So when it comes to numbers, you might go ahead with this kind of a bidding strategy. However, you should ideally be having sufficient budget. If you have sufficient budget and budget is not the criteria, you may go ahead with this kind of a bidding strategy. Otherwise, a better bidding strategy would be target CPA, which also takes budget into consideration. So target CPA is a finer version of maximize conversion. Why? Because it would not only focus upon the volume of conversions, but it will also focus upon the cost. It will get you those conversions within your defined cost. So that is the reason that target CPA is a better version of maximize conversions. So now let's move to the slide and see what it says. It says this strategy would maximize the number of conversions you can get within your budget using machine learning. So with this strategy, Google will try and attempt to get you as many number of conversions as possible using its artificial intelligence, using its data points, using its experience, as it knows well who is there in the market to buy what, and it knows which clicks would result into a conversion. So using your budget, it will try to bid for those clicks which are going to prove out to be giving you conversions, and eventually it will gain conversions for you. It will try to gain conversions for you, and it will try and emphasize upon the number of conversions. Using your budget, it will bid on its own and get you those clicks which it predicts to get you as many conversions as possible. So the second point is, the reason you would pick this strategy over target CPA is that you are not focused upon the cost. So in case you have a limited budget, you should rather not go in for a maximize conversion. There is a better strategy, as has been told, which is target CPA. However, in case you don't have budget constraints, you may focus and you may go ahead with this particular bidding strategy, which is maximize conversion, wherein you are focusing upon the volume of conversions. You are focusing upon the volume, the number of conversions. So 9 out of 10 times target CPA is more effective then maximize conversions. As has already been told, Why? Because it not only focuses upon the number of conversions, but it also focuses upon getting you those conversions in within your defined cost criterias. So in this, you give full reins to Google to spend your budget the way it seems fit and get you the conversions. What it means is that you are giving full right to Google to spend your budget, to raise the bids on the chosen keywords of yours and get you the conversions. If it predicts that these keywords are going to result in conversions, it is free to raise the bids however and how much it wants to, but the entire agenda is to get you as many conversions as possible, to focus upon the number of conversions, the volume of conversions. So it is free to raise the bids and get you those clicks which might result in a conversion. So now let's go to the actual campaign and see how would we set the maximize conversion. So we will go to our campaign. Then we will go to settings, and under settings we'll choose campaign settings. We'll choose the campaign. We'll go a bit down and see the manual bidding is already set and we need to change it to maximize conversions. So for that I will just click over here, change bid strategy, and I will choose maximize conversions. So this is how you can change the bidding strategy from manual CPC to maximize conversions. Now I will just save it. And the same gets saved over here. So this is how you are going to opt for maximize conversions as the bidding strategy. So with this, I end up this video on maximize conversions. Thanks a lot for your time. Subscribe to my channel, White Hat Ways. Bye.